Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine and I am the owner of a small candle shop called Aries Candle Co. And today I am very excited because I received some packages in the mail. So I figured let's do an unboxing and a little bit of a candle haul. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the first one and I have actually already opened it up as soon as I received it. Basically because Wicks are kind of hard to come by, especially right now due to COVID and shutdowns. And so my solution was to order spools to make my own wicks. It's actually a spool of wick in the size that I need. So I'm actually going to make my own wicks and that's one of them. And here goes the second one. And then in order to hold the wicks in place, you need tabs. This is kind of what they look like. I'm going to try making my own wicks and we shall see how this goes. But I am very excited to give it a shot. I also ordered a new wick bar. I ordered this one and it's supposed to fit all different sizes of jars, which is why it has the ridges right there. So we'll see how this works. I'll probably try using it today on a candle, but that is package number one and we have two more to go. So here is the second one. I have not yet opened it, so let's do it together. Oh wait, these are scents. Let's do the scents last. So here goes the second one. It's a little bit heavy. I know exactly what this is. It's actually a new set of jars that I ordered. So my 3-wick jars before were just plain and glass, but I saw these. They spice it up just a little bit, you know.
Add a little bit of spice.
And I fell in love. Oh yes. They are all still in good condition. No broken vessels. We're good to go. Love to see it. Let me put this. Oh no, I got my pants dirty. So this is what those vessels look like. They're very pretty. They're aesthetically pleasing. I am here for it. They're basically the same size as the previous jars that I was using for my 3 wicks. They're a little bit heavier and thicker as far as the glass goes. So I'm excited. All right, so last but certainly not least, we have the scents that I have been waiting for. We're talking spring and I am here for it. I'm over winter. I'm over the cold. Give me back the 70-degree weather with some sunshine. Let's go. Oh wow. Okay, we have the scents. So some of these I have already smelled before and I liked, so I ordered them in a larger size. Some of them I've never smelled before, so I ordered about a 4-ounce size. That way I can test them, make sure I like them, and you can actually make a couple candles out of that bottle. So first up we have Asian Sandalwood, which I ordered this one because my grandmother actually called me a couple of weeks ago asking me if for spring I could do a couple of woods. So whether it be like sandalwood, driftwood, and I think she said another one, but I don't remember. So as soon as I got the phone with her, I went searching and I actually came across this Asian Sandalwood. So of course it was the first thing I placed an order for. So I have taken the lid off and let's give it a go. Ooh, this one smells so familiar to me, but it smells so good. I think it smells like something from Bath and Body Works, but I cannot put my finger on it at the moment. I don't know. I'm a huge fan though. You get the wood. It has like a little bit of a citrus hint, like maybe a splash of mandarin in there. Not sure exactly, but first impressions, we're gonna give it like a solid 10 out of 10. Next up, we have driftwood. This is also in another small size. So we're gonna take the lid off. It also smells familiar. It actually really kind of reminds me of the beach, but more of the woody side of the beach, if that makes any sense to you. But it smells like the beach. I'm kind of a fan of this. I don't think I would give it quite a 10 out of 10, but we'll see how it burns and then maybe that'll jump it up to a 10 out of 10. But right now I think I'm gonna give it more of a 7 out of 10. This one is Pink Sands, which is supposed to be just like the Bath and Body Works Pink Sands, so we'll see if it really is. I have smelled this one before and it was very similar to the Bath and Body Works Pink Sand, so let's see if in a larger bottle it still holds up. It still holds up. I think this actually smells a little bit sweeter. I'm gonna shake it. I think it smells a little bit sweeter than it did the first time in a smaller bottle. Oh my god, I almost just put that in my mouth. it still smells really good. It smells just like the Bath & Body Works Pink Sands. So if you're into the Bath & Body Works Pink Sands, definitely check out my site and support a small business. And I'll link it down below. I will let you know when all that stuff is live. My first spring scent is coming this Friday. I am not settled on which one I am going to do quite yet as my first one, but we'll see. This one right here is Watermelon Lemonade, which I have already burned in a sample candle. Smelled amazing. When you think watermelon, you would think super sweet, but the lemonade part really like cuts the sweetness to make it not as sweet and a little bit tart, but oh so good. Still a fan, still a fan. I'm gonna give it like a solid 8 out of 10. If you're into fruity scents that aren't super sweet, I highly recommend that one. All right, this one right here is Vanilla Birch. I have smelled this one, and this one was actually a request from an old time family friend. She said that her favorite candle ever is the Vanilla Birch at Bath & Body Works. So I went searching high and low to see if I could find anything similar, and I found this one, which is supposed to be just like that one. And I did test burn it, and it does smell just like the one from Bath & Body Works. And it still smells just as good. So I am satisfied. All right, so this one is Lavender Chamomile, which I made a test candle for, but I have not burned. I actually gave it to 2 of my aunts for them to test and burn for me. But when I was making the candle, it smelled very good. You could get the lavender, but you also got the chamomile, which together kind of smells a little bit more like a fragrant baby powder, if that makes sense. But I'm kind of into that scent, so... Oh, whoa, this one is so full. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can show you how full this is. I definitely just almost spilled this all over myself. Can you see how full that is? Oh my word, I have never received a bottle when it's this full. Okay, but yeah, I still get the fragrant baby powder scent. I love, oh my gosh, I'm gonna make a mess. I need to stop. I love this scent. I don't know. It's something about the baby powder-ish smell that I'm really just here for. Okay, so last up, we have a free sample that they threw in. And this one is called Honolulu Sun. I know nothing about this scent. I did not request this scent. It was thrown in as a free sample. And this is a little bottle that it came in. So this is gonna be a real first impression. I don't really smell anything. I'm confused because, to be completely honest, I don't really smell anything, and I know I don't have COVID because I was able to smell each and every one of those last scents. Plus, I've also been being super careful. I can smell a little bit of something, like a little bit of something, but I don't really smell anything. I don't know. I'm a little bit bothered by the fact that I can't really smell it. So I think what I'm going to do is just make a small sample candle or a melt. Actually, I think I might make a wax melt. Yeah, I think I'm going to make a couple of wax melts with this scent, burn them in my bedroom, and we'll see what I think and what the scent actually is, because I really have no idea what that scent was. Yeah, so this kind of wraps up this candle haul, candle unboxing, whatever you feel like calling it. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today as I open up all these things and give you some honest first impressions of some spring scents that I'm thinking about. And I hope to see you guys real soon in my next video. So bye for now.